Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to post a job on Indeed in 2025 step by step. If you're an employer or recruiter looking to find the right candidates quickly and efficiently, this guide is perfect for you. It's simple, straightforward, and will save you a lot of time. Let's dive in. First, head over to Indeed.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using an employer account, as this will give you access to all of the job posting tools you need. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the homepage and click on Employers/Post Job. This will take you to your employer dashboard, where you can manage all your job listings. Next, click on the Post a Job button to get started. You'll see a job creation form where you can enter all the important details about the position you're hiring for. Under the options provided, select Hiring an Employee and click Post a Job next to that choice. This ensures you're using the standard method for permanent roles, which is ideal for most companies. Now comes the fun part, filling out your job details. Enter the job title, location, salary, and a detailed description. Make sure your description is clear, professional, and appealing, so the right candidates are excited to apply. Double check all the information to avoid mistakes, and make sure your post really highlights why someone would want to work with your company. Once everything is complete, click Submit and your job will go live on Indeed. From there, you can track applicants directly from your dashboard and manage your hiring process efficiently. And that's it. Posting a job on Indeed has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How To Tutor for more simple, step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.